Good day, sir. My name is Jimart G. Mustasesa. Today I will this my reaction about 6 videos about poison. Um, First is suspect in the poisoning case of the executive producer of the Three Body Problem has been sentenced to death in China. The case involves Len Qi, a billionaire and producer of the hit Netflix SCI P series, who was fatally poisoned in 2020. The suspect, Xu Yao, was a former executive at Lens Company. Reports say Xu poisoned Lin by putting toxic substances in this food and drinks due to internal conflicts and desire for revenge. The Chinese court found the act premeditated and extremely malicious, leading to the death sentences. This my reaction. This case shocked many because it involved a high-profile figure in the entertainment industry and highlighted how internal corporate disputes can turn deadly. The death sentence reflects how seriously China treats premeditated murder, especially when it involves calculated betrayal and abuse of trust, and a grim reminder that power struggle and unresolved conflicts in the workplace can escalate into tragic consequences if not handled properly. Next is insulin poisoning murder. A man committed murder by using insulin, which in excessive doses can cause hypoglycemia, coma, and death. It's a terrifying method because insulin is common in medical use, making it an ideal weapon for someone with medical knowledge. This type of poisoning can be hard to detect unless especially tested for making it a favored method for medical murders. Next is KGB in the death of Alexander Litvinenko. Former Russian agent Alexander Litvinenko was assassinated in London using polonium-210, a highly radioactive substance. This was a clear case of state-sponsored poisoning, likely by the Russian FSB or Sakser